Hello students, I'd like to welcome you to CET 1178 A+ certification hardware. My name is Professor Kemp and I'd like to take a few minutes and give you a summary of some of the content that we're going to be going through and cover in this course. Okay, first I'd like to mention that this course is a sequence of the first of two A+ certification courses. This course, of course, being CET 1178, and the second course is CET 1179, which talks more about software. Both those courses combined together help cover all the information needed for an A+ certification that you can take at any testing center, Pearson VUE Testing Center. And it's two different tests that you take, and once you pass both those, you would have an A+ certification. Now this course here, CET 1178, covers fundamentals of digital electronics, computer hardware, and operating systems. It helps prepare you for an entry-level computer position. As you see here, it says with at least 6 months training, but there's some other things that can take place in that sometimes you can get right in, and they'll give you some of that experience with their own training. But definitely having the A+ certification will be beneficial for you in trying to find a job in computer technology. It's also a lead-in with this certification and the content in this course for other courses that you may want to take and other certifications. As you see there, the CCNA, Network Plus, and Security Plus, among other certifications that are out there. And if you wanted any other information, you see the website I give you there for CompTIA's website for the A+ and the certification procedures and things about the exams for this course. Okay, so starting out here, we're going to be covering 14 chapters in our textbook, which is going to be furnished through Skillport, so there'll be no cost to you on that. There's a digital copy and ebook on Skillport that you'll be able to access all this information and read the book from there. The first chapter talks about safety and professionalism. Some of the things that you see in that are you see me bulleting here some of the things that they want you to learn in this is proper appearance in a professional manner in your workplace, whatever company that you wind up with. How to talk to customers in a professional and productive manner, and then discuss the tools of the trade and preparations necessary to deal with problems proactively. So they're going over, the fundamentals of what you need to know to how you handle yourself, present yourself, and represent whatever company you work for in a professional manner. And now, after we go through chapter 1, we'll come to chapter 2, and this is a chapter called the visible computer. And in this chapter, we're going to look at some of the things that you actually can see in a computer. So how the computer devices will work, you see here. Common connectors, a USB cord, how the mouse and the keyboard is attaching. Is it through a cable or is it USB? Things like that you would connect to the machine. And then some common features of the software operating system.